Oh, I apologize. This is part two video because I went to stop the other. I went to pause it so that I could finish off with you, and then I turned it off. So I'm still getting into my apartment. I should have waited before I started the video. Um, so we can finish up my video here once I get back in here and say what I need to say and tell you how much it's been a great honor to have you be a part of my life and coming into your life, and that have allowed me to come in. I'm grateful because I'm here for a cause and purpose as everyone else is. And but my heart is to call, to answer that call, to be what I'm called to be, you know. And that is, excuse me, I just walked in, so I put down some things here. That is the call to be, you know, an assistant, a guide. There's all many names for us, believe me. But, you know, so, but someone that can deliver what humanity has done is, whew. I'm gonna sit down for a minute here now and drink a little water and kind of cool off a little bit. But so for those who have, you know, one thing I want to say, so I can hopefully open up your thoughts a little bit here, on something. For instance, when you think a person died, you feel in your heart that they gone on to heaven or whatever to be with God, and you know that you'll be going on sometime or another time. That's what you usually say to yourselves, right? And so I'll meet you up there, whatever. Well, in that reality, because seeing past the fact that the one God that you believe that you're serving has only just this set of children on the earth, and you thinking that, thus right there alone do not expand your conscious or your mind. You want to call it your mind, but I'm talking two different things, but you can call it your mind if you want to. So believe that there is other planets, and you have been told this, but because your mind is so in dark, and when I say in dark, it only means you're lacking a lot of information that you have not brought in. Only thing you have brought in your time that you're living in, and other times whenever that has been, was the fact that whatever you've been taught in school, which was nothing, whatever that the life that you've been in the arena of, you know, inside of the arena, whatever language and taught things that you've learned, whatever things you've learned there, that's all you know. That's a lot of empty space going on inside of your mind that you have not taken anything in. So you have a lot of dark space in there. Meaning you need to get more information because you're lacking information. That's the meaning of it, okay? Information is light, and lack of information is darkness. So you got dark inside of your mind, your head, you know, which is conscious, and you know, and that's what you are. But a conscious can only evolve if it has the information or the which is information, the whatever it takes to have it to evolve. And it takes like baking a cake. That's what it would be like. Okay? I'm gonna put this video up somewhere. But so it would be like baking a cake, you know. I hope this thing is up right now. I haven't checked anything. I just turned it on out there. But so a conscious is gonna be is a thought. It's you are just a spark. It's all you are, a spark or a thought, whatever you want to call it. In the conscious of source, of the source, and the source has given you the will to take in as much information as you choose to. Take in the source, whatever source part of the source that you choose to bring into your life, or to intercept or to receive in. You're allowed to do that, but the will block that, and it'll keep you just swimming around in that bowl, like the goldfish, or whatever things, swimming around in there, in the bowl, and not recognize that you've been in there and you're trapped and you can't get out unless the one who trapped you take you out. So that's the same way it has to be in your life, where you have been trapped inside of an illusion, deception of life, to believe that you are one something, but you're not. What you are is a slave, but you do not know that. And you are a slave because in your world you have given out more than you have taken in, and you're constantly giving it out. And the ones that are at the top is just feeding off of it, because they eat your energy. And money ain't nothing but printed anyway, so they make you think that's a fair deal when you give them energy and you exchange for that piece of paper, and then because you're not happy and satisfied, because they take a penny or a dollar or whatever every 5 months, every whatever change come about, probably every month, who never knows, but they take until where you're at now, which is way beyond the exchange of balancing and giving your energy out, as far as that part is concerned. So, now you believe that's how it is, because the government said. What I have a problem with is the government is if you do not know what government means, you just use the word, but have you ever understood what it means? Is there a government on your cars? Is there a government on something that you know that works mechanically? What does a government do? From my understanding, it regulates. And you can put it on your water. You can put it anywhere. You can govern anything you want to govern. But who's governing the damn government? Who's governing them? Do you even know? You don't even care. But in reality, and in the truth, everything in life that is life has a rank and way, a high and a low. Everything. It's always a rank. And that is in your life whether you know it or not. You see? So, who is governing your government? Why you merely going along the way, believing that he's a part, that he's watching over you in the city, and he's just, the pretty old government, while he's doing nothing but sticking you right in your behind every second, every moment, every day, because you believe in him or her, whichever way you want to dress it,
It's all one thing, but a shit hole, hole, pile of shit. And that's all of them. Not only just the ones in the top, the ones in the bottom too. Your little mayors and all of them. Honey, come on. What you need to do is be able to government yourself. And that's where you're going to. And ain't nobody gonna help bring nothing. They're not gonna save you because it ain't happening no more. All the ones that you was having that were coming in and helping you and saving you, they already been gone. They tied up, they've been taken off planet and put somewhere where they can stop doing their mischief. Yahweh, one of them. Yahweh, had to get tied up too. See, but there's only one that is one, and that even not even a one itself. It's a zero. Okay? A zero split down the middle, taken apart, and made one and one. So it's not two, it's still zero. Keep that in mind. Okay? So, know thyself, they say, and your Bible says it too. But you don't, it has so much mumbo jumbo mixed with that you don't even know what it means to know thyself. Know thyself is to know who you are, know where you come from, know why you're here, and what purpose are you here to serve. That is some things everyone needs to know. Okay, so I am going to stop here because I don't want to take it too far, and that's my second video already anyway. So I'm so glad that you came and let me talk with you. I really love you all. I really do, more than you even know. I have my heart is just wide open for the people, and I'm here to take down that is holding you back. I don't care what it is, it doesn't bother me, whether it's inside or outside. If it's in the spirit, if it's in your solar plex, in your spirit, I don't mean no harm. But if it touches you, I intend to I intend to cut it out, okay? Because it is no good for you, and it doesn't serve you any greater purpose. Where you at is where you at, and that's where you'll be until you decide that you want to have more, or you want to see more, or you decide that you are more than what you are. You have to make those decisions. It's your life. It's going to give it to you. Okay? And don't forget to do the subscribing and liking and all those things that has to make the video move around, as they say. And I don't know, but I do, would like for you to do the subscribe if this first time hearing me. If you would like to put donations in, help me out with the channel, yeah, please do. I'm okay either way you go, because love is the only way that I'm aware of that is going to make the difference between my life and your life. Nothing else can matter. Not a thing. Okay, have a wonderful afternoon. It's afternoon where I'm at, so morning, night, whatever you're at. All right, namaste.